Welcome to our latest update on the North London Heat and Power project. Progress is moving at pace to deliver essential waste management and recycling facilities at Edmonton Eco Park in North London. In this update video, you'll hear from our project managers sharing news about the latest construction activities taking place across the different sites. We'll also give you a short update on the latest procurement activities.
My name is Rene Sargent and I'm the project manager responsible for delivery of the Laydown area. At the Laydown area, we have constructed a space which will be used by our major contractors to both store and prefabricate some of their materials before they're transported onto the main site. We'll also be providing office space for our project teams to oversee the project from. We've completed some milestones of late. You will see that the new bridge across the Enfield ditch has been substantially formed, and this will form part of the new eastern access into the Eco Park. Work is also underway to extend the life of the Lee Parkway Bridge, and this is so that it continues to provide safe access into the Eco Park during the course of our construction. Reforming and stabilisation of Lee Parkway, where the two bridges will be linked, is also underway. The road itself was constructed in the 1960s, and this was for relatively light-duty traffic. The project is improving and future-proofing this road to support construction logistics, and this bridge should therefore subsequently last for many more years. The final layout of the site is becoming easier to visualise. As you can see, final surfaces are beginning to be applied to some of the areas of ground, including areas of the car park and some of the roadways. Away from the site, a 3-storey office building is currently being constructed in a factory. This method of construction allows for safer working conditions and also allows for quite a rapid and economical construction, but we'll say more about this in future updates.
I'm Mark Ling, the Gouges project manager for the Northern Access works currently undergoing on Arger Road. Works at the Northern Access are progressing well. Early July we completed the sheet pile retaining wall. More recently on site we have carried out utility works which are well underway to allow phase 2 of deep soil mixing to begin towards the end of September. This technology will reduce the number of vehicle movements throughout the works. The utility works are also well underway, which will allow us to install the UK power network ducts, a concrete gas sleeve, Thames water connection to existing services, and also the electrical ducts for upcoming works. Over the upcoming months, the final scopes of works include cable diversions to be carried out by both UKPN and Thames Water. Thames Water connections will be carried out very soon with an isolation on the main service that we need to connect into. Our current progress on site will allow us to complete our contract works by early November.
My name's Terry Brandon. I'm the project manager for the Hawley Road Transport Yard. As you will see from the drone footage, works to change the vacant site at Hawley Road into a bespoke transport yard facility are now just weeks away from completion and occupation by London Energy. You may have noticed some of the key features, such as the new office and welfare building that was manufactured off-site for speed and economy. Mounted on top of this building is an array of solar panels which will generate electricity to be either utilised on the site or exported into the grid. The facility will provide a base for the majority of the London Energy fleet and provide facilities to refuel and carry out maintenance on site. Once complete, the transport yard will be protected by a 3-metre high perimeter fence, 24-hour security and a system of CCTV cameras linked back to the central control within the nearby Eco Park.
I'm Mark Ling, Gouges project manager for the sewer diversion. Preparatory works are currently well underway to divert the Angel and Chingford sewer. More recently on site we've completed the demolition work of the existing wash bay building within the LEL site. Once the demolition was complete, we reinstated this area with a hard standing concrete slab to maintain the traffic flow throughout the works as works progress. More recently on site we are currently well underway on the Eastern Road diversion, which is part of the enabling works to allow Barhouse to continue with their manholes B and C. The works that we are currently undertaking on the Eastern Road will currently involve a mixing process to install a hard standing slab, again minimising the amount of vehicle movements throughout. We are currently well on programme for Barhouse to mobilise on site in October and continue the main works.
Hello, I'm Matt Ray, the project manager for Eco Park South, and I'm pleased to share with you a number of updates on procurement within the North London Heat and Power project. Approval to award EcoPark South to UK construction company Taylor Woodrow, the Civils Division of Vinci UK, was given by NLWA members at their meeting in July. EcoPark South will deliver flagship recycling facilities, including a resource recovery facility, which will treat up to 135,000 tonnes of recyclable waste a year. The contract also includes construction of a new reuse and recycling centre for local residents to bring their recycling direct to the EcoPark for the first time ever. Taylor Woodrow will also build EcoPark House, a new community hub to teach residents about waste prevention and recycling, as well as being a new home for the Edmonton Sea Cadets. The contract with Taylor Woodrow has been signed and development of the integrated client and contractor team is underway. Prior to mobilising to site in early 2021, the project team will be working collaboratively from a shared office to ensure that opportunities to minimise cost and maximise value are recognised through the design process and that statutory consents are obtained before we mobilise to site. The North London Heat and Power project is committed to delivering benefits for the local community. An EcoPark South contract, 6 apprentices from North London boroughs will join the team in engineering and commercial disciplines before the end of September. Further apprenticeships will become available during 2020 and throughout 2021. In July, procurement for North London Heat and Power project's largest contract to date was launched, the £600 million world-class energy recovery facility. The deadline for contractors to submit their interest in this project was the 11th of September, and shortlisting of contractors to participate in the design has commenced.
As you have heard from our project managers, there has been lots happening in recent months, and as we move into autumn, progress will continue to move rapidly. To find out more about the project and to stay up to date with the latest news, you can visit our website and follow us on social media.